Hello, this video will showcase the application for StrataShield SA BIT VB. StrataShield SA BIT is a polyester reinforced air and vapor control layer, saturated and coated with high-quality SBS modified bitumen. Before beginning, make sure you have the necessary tools for a smooth installation. First, ensure the substrate is clean, dry, and free from any dust, grease, or debris that could interfere with adhesion. Surface preparation is critical to ensure a proper bond between the vapor control layer and the substrate. Once the substrate has been cleaned, you can begin applying Strata Prime SA. This product can be applied using a roller or a brush for smaller or intricate details. Ensure the primer is applied evenly with no pooling. Leave it to dry for approximately 15 minutes or until it is dry to touch. 2 coats may be required on very porous substrates, and the product may need to be reapplied if the surface becomes contaminated or if left exposed for longer than 4 hours before applying subsequent membrane. Unroll the membrane and measure the sections required for your roof layout. Carefully cut to shape, making sure you allow for overlaps at the seams and edges to maintain a continuous barrier. Starting at one end, bring back a small section of the StrataShield SA BIT. Then make a small incision along the backing film, making sure you don't cut through the membrane. Remove the film and dress the membrane up the upstand detail, ensuring that you get in as tight as possible into the angles. Then, on the other end of the membrane, roll up the vapor control layer to where you made the cut. Grab each side of the backing film and start pulling it back while simultaneously brushing the membrane, making sure all air bubbles are removed and the vapor control layer is fully adhered to the substrate. For maximum moisture protection, overlap each section of StrataShield by 100 mm. Remove the white film on the overlap while pressing down firmly. Once the seams are in place, use a hot air gun and a silicone roller to create a watertight seal, ensuring you can see a small bead of bitumen extruding as you make your way down the lap. After the main field area has been completed, begin detailing by cutting out a strip of the StrataShield SA BIT VB. Place the vapor control layer at the top of the upstand and carefully make your way down, making sure the membrane is fully attached with no air bubble or wrinkles. Ensure that the membrane is at least 50 mm above the insulation, but ideally it should cover the whole upstand. Remove the white film while pressing down firmly. Use a hot air gun to attach the membrane to the main field area. For internal corners, press the membrane as tight as possible into the corner. This will create a triangle, which is called a pig's ear. Take this excess membrane and fold it flat against one side of the corner. This creates a double layer of the membrane in the corner, forming a strong, reinforced seal. Once installed, perform a thorough inspection of all seams and detailing. StrataShield SA BIT VB must be firmly attached to every part of the roof to provide maximum vapor control and moisture protection. If installed correctly, the membrane will offer a temporary watertight seal. Thank you for watching.